Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Hyundai Accent. First, let's gather everything we need. New engine oil, a new oil filter, a drain pan, a funnel, a wrench and jack stands. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands to secure your vehicle and wear gloves. Make sure your engine is warm but not scalding to help the old oil drain more effectively. Now let's get under the car. Locate the oil drain plug, which is usually a 17mm bolt on the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the old, dark oil to flow into the pan. This can take several minutes. Once the flow slows to a drip, clean the plug and reinstall it firmly, but do not over-tighten. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. Locate the old filter, which might be near the front of the engine block. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen it, then carefully unscrew it by hand. Be ready for a small amount of oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, it's time for the fresh oil. Check your owner's manual for the specific oil type and capacity for your Hyundai Accent. It's typically around 4 quarts. Using a funnel, slowly pour the new oil into the engine's fill port. Once filled, start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Check for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Lastly, verify the oil level with the dipstick and top off if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.